If chatbot is not responding, then today we are here with some steps to troubleshoot and fix this issue. So let's get started. First of all, if chatbot is not responding, it could be due to high server traffic, especially on weekends when many users are active. In such cases, it is best to be patient and give it some time before trying again. Server overload can cause temporary delays, and waiting a few minutes might allow the system to catch up. Another reason for the issue could be the rate limits on free accounts. Premium users often receive priority access, which can lead to faster response times. If you frequently experience delays, upgrading to a premium subscription might help improve performance and reduce waiting times. Additionally, it is important to ensure that your app is up to date. Sometimes older versions may have bugs or compatibility issues that can affect performance. If none of these solutions work, consider reaching out to Chai's support team for further assistance. They may be able to troubleshoot specific problems or provide guidance and resolving the issues.